Hi, guys, and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Taurus. This is a love reading for the month of July. So please see your placements for Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. The first card that I have for you, my lovely Taurus people, is the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody is doing it all, especially all the women that are watching this channel. Hats off to you. You guys do an amazing job managing and taking care of everything, doing like taking care of your personal life and then doing your equally best in your professional life. You guys are amazing. Really, this card is, it represents everyone who is managing both aspects of their life really, really well. And especially for Taurus women, right now, you are feeling like a superwoman. You are doing everything. And this card also tells me that you have a lot of work that is coming towards you, and you may have to balance a lot of things. But you guys know your worth because you have that. Like, you have that sense of understanding, because Taurus people ruled by Venus by default, right? And Venus is all about comfort. Venus is all about luxury. And these guys, if your Venus is working very, very well, you have a very strong appreciation for your own qualities. So self worth is really high. The next card that I have for you is the King of Cups. So very, very strong chances either you or your person is an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus itself, or your person or you yourself are a water sign. By water sign, I mean Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Empress card, so things are moving very, very well in your relationship. Many of you could be getting a news that you are finally getting pregnant. If this is something that you want to happen, or if this is something you are wishing for, well, definitely I do see the news. If not in within the next 3 months, there are very strong chances that before May of next year, 2022, you are finally going to get the news that you are pregnant. I don't know why I got that specific message, but there it is for you to kind of pick it up and pay attention to it. But I do see very strong chances that there is going to be abundance, if not marriage, but obviously, many of you are going to get into a relationship, into some kind of stable, into a decent relationship where you'll finally start planning that we need to lay down our roots, we really need to figure our life together. So that's an amazing energy. Even for your career reading, the energy was like really, really great. So don't forget to check that out. The next card that I have for you is the Queen of Cups. So it does look like there could be somebody else in this relationship as well. Not for all of you, but this is only for very, very few of you. You could be in a third party relationship, and one of your person is pregnant at the moment. Not for all, again, please. This is selectively for a couple of you who are in this situation. It's also possible that the person who this message is meant for doesn't see this video, but I'm just going to put it out there. The next card that I have for you is Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords tells me that there is going to be clarity. Some kind of clarity is going to come in your relationship. If you are confused in terms of who to settle down with, well, this reading or these cards are telling me that out of the two people, you're finally going to make a choice. You're finally going to decide that, I'm going to choose this particular person out of the options I have available, and I am going to stay loyal to them. I am going to stick with them. For some of you, if you are pregnant, I do see that no matter what kind of plans you make, but there is a very strong chance that you might have a cesarean. I don't know why I had to say it, but I am saying it out there. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Wands, and Page of Wands is a very strong card. It's a card of being very high on energy. It's a card of uh, when in a relationship you have that passionate spark, you have that passion towards one another, and because there are chances of getting pregnant or going down that line, but which tells me that yep, you guys might be doing a lot of it. But definitely there is a choice. If your person is not speaking to you or is taking the time to come back and tell you exactly what's going on in their brain, well, hold your horses, don't jump to conclusion. It's just that they are making their mind, and there are very strong chances that things are going to work out in your favor. So as long as these six signs that I've mentioned are involved, there's strong chances. Also, the sign of Gemini is important. The next card that I have for you is the Eight of Cups. Now, Eight of Cups is a card where you have to make the travel, where you have to make a decision. And sometimes in this decision, somebody is going to get their heart broken. Somebody is going to feel like, meh, I wasn't chosen. Why did this happen to me? But remember, you have to make this decision. So if you are stuck in this situation where you are waiting for somebody to choose you, you actually have an option with this card to make a choice for yourself. If you are not happy and you don't want to be in that energy where another person has more power over your decisions or what should happen to your life, well, this is a card of walking away. This is a card of taking the road or the stairs to the unknown and just figure out your own life on your own terms. Don't wait for this person to make a choice, but rather make a choice for yourself. The next card that I have for you guys is the Ace of Wands. So definitely you have a new start coming. During this situation, when this might happen, you might come through a point where you feel dejected, you feel lonely, you feel like, why the hell has this happened to me? But trust me, I promise you, the next 8 months are going to be amazing for you. Everything is going to change. If you are right now, if you're at this position where you feel depressed, where you feel sad, where you feel lonely, by May next year, oh my god, there's so much energy coming towards you, there's so much positivity coming towards you. You guys have no idea. I can just feel it right now. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Cups. So definitely you are going to end up in a relationship if you are single by May next year. If you want to write it down, you can write it down. When it happens, do let me know. If it doesn't happen, still let me know. I would be glad to hear the feedback from you guys. But definitely I do see something happening for you before May of next year. If you've been single, trust me, somebody is coming towards you. Let's see from love messages, from the oracle, what sort of love messages we have from you. The first card that I have from you is, this could be the one. So the person you are right now with, this person could be the one. But again, it's a choice you need to make, whether you want to stick, you want to go through with, the ups and downs of life, or you just want to take the decision in your own hand and walk away. Really up to you. But if you are going to move, if you are going to walk away, well, then this new start is up to you. This new start is your choice. But even if you stick with the situation, I think I can only tell you something which is going to happen, like an impending situation, is that you will have to go through a period of loneliness, through a period of, a little down, like a little downtime before things finally pick up pace and become better. Let's see what other love messages we have for you. The next card that I have for you is codependency. Addictions as affecting your romantic life. Exactly what I told you, right? There's a codependence. Whether you want to stay with this person or you don't want to stay with this person, really, it is a choice that you have to make. But for sure, even oracle cards have confirmed that there is a codependency issue, that you like a person a little too much and then you want to do everything for them, but sometimes you kind of have to push back because of your own self-worth. Your self-worth, the energy of self-worth is very, very high. What I would recommend is you stick to this level of energy and don't let it drip to this level of energy. Don't forget to check out your date of birth readings and your career readings, because Taurus people, your career reading is just amazing. Um, and I am going to speak to you guys next time.